Yeah, this is a new seat I installed a while ago. You understand me? Take me look at time and I fix it up, liquor by liquor. Brand new seat. Yeah. Steering out and bad. Gear shift 13. Want to take time and finish set up it. And then put on some color on it. Body man run as well. I take him look at time I go and do look at work. Look come and run in the front tire chuck, reversing the front tire chuck and mash it up. And hide me. But he try me, you know, make me see him. Anyway, I see him, I give him back my money. Could I nice sky and fly. So, you guys look on the video and tell me what color should and tell me put the truck in. That I go tear off a 5 siding. Because I now get pay feet, so I tear it off. You understand? Some aluminum ring. 4 of them. Tank strap. And step. Clean it up right through for the holiday and service up. Change oil already. Filter all of that. Me just need for grease up and wash, grease up. Clean up properly. Get a decent power wash. Clean it up nicely. It's all broke up, you know. With the carboy we cut crossway for me, you know. And me lick him, you know. I wonder how this broke. I wonder if I see him thing broke the glass.
I see him.
You understand me?
I see him.
And I go tell me say me run the red light. That time I did the whole long tour to do all in the traffic and wait and traffic for move. And then come I try cut away from busman and cut in front of the truck and me lick him.
Yeah. Then pushing with a problem about what.
Yeah man, I just install the seat, you know. So I want to fix the seatbelt part, you know. As you can work in that, so I put that just take out. Grind down this, cut it down liquor. Where you can go in that and lock. Now watch the tool them up on the floor, because on the floor that there. If you put in back the piece of board, the circuit there over there so if it's sound. Back on the flooring. And thing. Yeah, that's the thing there. Yeah man, right, that's the thing there. See me? Alright, this is a finished product. How I see it look like, you know, when I chuck. You understand me? This is how it look, you know? You know what I watch a blue something with the heap of dirt on it. Soon clean up that and make it look crisp and nice. I understand. So this is how the truck look. Nice and clean. Sound system over there, sir. Yeah. We did have one tablet up there, so I push the wall and teeth it with my tool. So I have to go buy back one. This is the whole aspect of the settings I chuck. Put on back a chrome them pan them, but socket for the, I just say think they have a problem I know. And teeth it tool with the Allen key. If we tighten up them there, so I have to just wait till I buy back the next one. So what I want to do now, I want to set up a little bed now where I can fold up in between us and fold down between us so I can sleep. Yeah, push the gear stick forward and sleep. Right, I say I take my time and I go and do my little thing. So my next year them time I truck supposed to do which part I want it today. You understand me? Right, which one I want it for them. That's what I'm going to do my next year. That's the way there, you know. Everything take money. You have to just take your time and do it, you have to do till it's done. Cause I have it like some man, and when I get the work, I get the work very often more than do when I do, but I not get the work as often as possible. So I have to just go and do what I do with the little work when I get. I don't know. So like me say, thank all who watch my video them and who well me not get no help of subscriber. But I get a lot of views. And I give thanks to that cause I never must get no views. Even they kind of discourage me, but that not deter me from continue my thing. I just continue same way and just go and make more content for you guys. So you can sit and watch and enjoy, you understand me? Big up. Love you all guys. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.